This Andrew, Nathaniel. Chuma, pronounce it. Nathaniel. Look at Nathaniel. This Thomas.
Andrew.
I'm Andrew from Andrew.
Bro, please can you tell me something about your character?
My character is building character.
Andrew.
Cool. Where is my bag?
To be the leader of the apostles, among the 12 apostles. He is considered to be the leader. And he was the first disciples of Jesus who declared that Jesus himself is the Messiah. And he preached the first sermon after in the Pentecost, leading to the conversion of 3,000 souls in the book, which is recorded in the book of Acts chapter 2. Peter is traditionally credited with founding the church in Rome and is considered as the first pope by the Roman Catholic Church. So this is Apostle Peter who have come to be with us and let us revive, let us speak to ourselves once again what he has done. He may not speak today, but by seeing at him, let us remember how he did, how he lived, how he stand out tall for the Lord, and let us renew ourselves. Up next, I would like to invite James the Greater, son of Zebedee. James the Greater, son of Zebedee. He is one of the sons of thunder and a member of Jesus' inner circle, who is having a very close relationship with Jesus. And James was the first apostle to be martyred for preaching the good news to the rest of the world, beheaded by King Herod Agrippa I, which is recorded in Acts chapter 12, verse 2. His martyrdom is seen as a significant event that strengthened the early church to grow stronger and better in preaching and reaching out to the world. Up next, I would like to invite John, brother of James the Great. John, brother of James the Great, the beloved disciple of Jesus. John is traditionally credited with the writing of the book of Gospel John, the three epistles, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd John, and the book of Revelations from the prison of Patmos. He was the only apostle believed to have died the natural death by growing old and played a significant role in the early church and particularly in the church of Ephesus. Next, I would like to invite Andrew, brother of Peter. Andrew, brother of Peter, and the first disciple to follow Jesus. The first one to follow Jesus. Andrew is known for bringing others to Jesus, winning souls. He evangelized so much that he brings so much people to Jesus. It is recorded in John chapter 1, verses 40 to 42. He is traditionally credited with spreading Christianity in the region of Greece and Asia Minor, and was martyred by crucifying at the cross, just as they did to Jesus. Up next, I would like to invite Philip, Apostle Philip, known for his questioning and seeking understanding of Jesus' teachings. He used to question. He questioned so much about Jesus and his teaching to know better, to understand further. that he understands the word deeply and continues in the ministry. He is traditionally credited with spreading Christianity in the region of Greece, Syria, and Persia, where he was martyred for the gospel. Philip brought Nathaniel, also known as Bartholomew, to Jesus to become his disciple. Up next, I would like to invite Bartholomew, whom Philip brought to Jesus to be disciple. He is also known as Nathaniel, known for his skepticism, doubting always, doubting. That turned to faith when he met Jesus. Finally, he doubted, but he became the good believer of Jesus after meeting Jesus. Bartholomew is believed to have preached in India and Armenia and other regions. Tradition holds that he was martyred in Armenia by being flayed alive. Up next, I would like to invite Matthew, Levi, the tax collector. Matthew, the former tax collector who became an apostle of Jesus. Matthew is traditionally credited with writing the Gospel of Matthew. He is believed to have preached in Ethiopia and other regions as he was martyred for his faith in the Lord Jesus. Up next, I would like to invite Thomas, known as Didymus. Thomas, known for his initial doubt about Jesus' resurrection. He doubted about the resurrection until he saved himself and he met Jesus. He is traditionally credited with spreading Christianity to India. Hingdele semua jenama BK, where he is revered by the Saint Thomas Christians. He was martyred by being speared to death in India. Up next, I would like to invite James Telingle, son of Alphaeus, possibly the brother of Jesus, also known as James, son of Alphaeus. James the Less is often identified as James the Just, the leader of Jerusalem church. He led the church of Jerusalem in his day. He played a key role in the early church and is traditionally believed to have written the epistle of James. He was martyred by being thrown from the pinnacle of the temple and then stoned to death. Up next, I would like to invite Thaddeus, or Jude, also known as Judas, son of James. Sometimes identified with Jude, the author of the epistle of Jude in the Bible. Thaddeus is believed to have preached in Mesopotamia, Armenia, and surrounding areas. He was martyred in Beirut along with Simon the Zealot for believing and preaching and spreading good news to the world. Up next, I would like to invite Simon the Zealot, the former member of the Zealot, a Jewish revolutionary group. He was a former member of the Jewish revolutionary group. Simon is believed to have preached the gospel in Persia and possibly in Africa. He was martyred possibly by being sewn with half and crucified. I will not talk about Judas because he is not here. Now I would like to invite Apostle Matthias, who was loaded and appointed in the place of Judas for the disciple of Jesus, chosen to replace Judas Iscariot after his betrayal and death. Matthias was chosen by Lord to replace Judas, mentioned in Acts chapter 1 verse 26. Little is known about his life and ministry, but he is believed to have preached in various regions and was martyred for preaching and spreading the gospel and for his faith. These disciples played critical roles in the foundation and spreading of the gospel in the early Christian martyrdom for their faith. The first apostle whom I call out, Peter, was crucified in the X-step cross.
Goodbye.